Welcome everyone, and thank you for coming. I'm Tootie Smith, Chair of Clackamas County Board of Commissioners. On behalf of the county and Commissioner Mark Scholl, I would like to welcome you to this very special event, the grand opening of our new Sandy Health Center. Here's how it will go today. This opening presentation will take about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll hear from representatives of the community that we serve, organizations we have partnered with, and relied upon to help make this project happen. After the presentation, we'll have a quick ribbon-cutting ceremony. After that, all guests are welcome to enjoy refreshments and conversation. Health Center staff will also be lending small group tours of the facility and sharing information about the features and services offered. Please note that because this is an operating health clinic, masks are required. I'd like to set the stage by talking a little bit about our overall Clackamas County Health Centers system. Clackamas Health Center serves more than 20,000 patients each year at 6 centers and clinics. It also operates school-based health centers at 5 area high schools, including dental services at 2 locations. These centers and clinics offer a full range of healthcare services to their local communities, including primary care, dental, and behavioral health. Some specialize by age or service. The Sandy Clinic in particular will offer medical, dental, and behavioral health services, as well as have a pharmacy on site to offer low-cost prescriptions. Clackamas County Health Centers partnered with the City of Sandy, Care Oregon, and Community Health Council to make this project a reality. I'm excited to be here today to celebrate this wonderful occasion with our partners and community members and acknowledge those who worked hard to get here and those who will work to serve the communities of Sandy and the surrounding areas. At this time, I'd like to introduce our first speaker, representing the City of Sandy, to say a few words. I would like to recognize the very important role that the City of Sandy officials and employees who were involved in the planning and permitting of this project played. Please welcome Mayor Stan Pulliam.
Well, Chair Smith, this is how we do it in Sandy. Everything right on the highway. Everything. Well, thank you so much, Chair Smith and Commissioners Savas and Scholl and the Clackamas County Commission and our partners there here in Clackamas County for just this magnificent new service that's provided here to our neighbors here in Sandy. You know, in parts of more rural Clackamas County, we struggle a lot of the times to be able to provide additional services to our neighbors so that they don't have to commute so far into neighboring communities to get such important services. So thank you to everybody who's been such a tremendous part of making this happen and being here. I know I'm certainly excited, as well as our community. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mayor Stan Pulliam. Representing the broader county healthcare community is the Clackamas Community Health Council. The council represents the needs and interests of Clackamas County's health services and the people who use them. You have been tireless advocates for this project, and we appreciate you. I'd like to welcome Council Member Linda Smith.
Thank you, Chair Smith. Good afternoon to all of you in attendance here today, especially those of you who may be current consumer patients or soon to be future patients of this lovely new Sandy Health Center. Hello to my fellow Clackamas Council health members, if you happen to be here, and to our Clackamas Public Health Department staff. Many of you are here today. Our county commissioners, Sonia especially, who's our liaison with our health council, and for all the other commissioners and all the other people who've had such a big part in making this happen. And I'm not qualified to list all of you because there are so many people. It's a pleasure for me to be here today, to be part of this, and it's an honor to have all of you here with us to celebrate with love and joy for the opening of this new clinic. It's been in the works for a long time. It's been a collaborative effort to combine the best of the best ideas, and what's emerged is a clinic that truly is a one-stop shop to serve the community of residents here in the rural east area of Clackamas County for decades to come. The new Sandy Health Center will allow dedicated professionals to bring their passion of high-quality health care to the community in a state-of-the-art facility. I'd like to extend a special word of appreciation to Deborah Cockrell, our former Director of Clackamas County Health. Deborah spent a great deal of time working on this project and making sure that members of the Health Council were not just kept informed about the project, but also consulted with very critical decisions in making along the way. Deborah made us feel like it was our clinic as well. And once Deborah stepped away to retire, Sarah Jacobson, our interim director, has picked up the baton right where Deborah handed it off to her and finished the race in stellar fashion. And we owe them both a great deal of appreciation. And please help me thank both of them with a round of applause. Speaking of the Health Council, let me take a moment to tell you more about it. As a federally qualified health center, Clackamas County Health Center is required to have a health council that oversees functions at a high level. The council is made up of both community volunteers and health center staff. The community volunteers are comprised of both consumers, meaning patients or parents of patients, that use one of the health centers, whether that's for medical care, dental care, or behavioral health. At least 51% of the volunteers must be consumers. The remainder of the volunteers are interested community members who want to be part of the Health Council. The council meets monthly for about 2 hours, and we ask that members read the meeting materials before a meeting. So we're always looking for more interested people to join. It's a great way to be involved, and it's a rewarding group where you can see how the health centers are run and have input from a patient perspective. The Health Council members are also very actively involved in helping select the new director for the health clinics. So if you're interested, there's information on our tables back here about how to become a member, or if you'd like to just to attend a meeting, there's information on how to do that as well. Or you can also go to the county website, and there's a link there to join. So lastly, I'd like to just thank all of you for coming out today. Your presence here means a lot to us. Words can't express how important your support is for all of our efforts and future endeavors to continue to advance and improve access to health care for all of our Clackamas County residents. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda Smith. Expanding our view from the county to the state level, I'd like next to welcome Andy Luther from our partners at Care Oregon. Your partnership and support every step of the way have been critical in making this building a reality. Andy Luther.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having us here today. My name is Andy Luther. I'm the Metro Region Medical Director for Care Oregon. It's my privilege to be here today representing Care Oregon and to share in the celebration of this beautiful new health center. Care Oregon has long enjoyed a strong collaborative partnership with Clackamas County Health. Your health centers have been a model of integration of physical health, oral health, and behavioral health throughout our network. Building this new building here in Sandy will make healthcare services more readily accessible in this region, including oral health and behavioral health, which are such important parts of overall healthcare. Care Oregon is honored to be your partner in improving individual and community health, and proud to be a financial contributor to help bring this clinic to fruition. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you, Andy Luther. And before I introduce our last speaker, Commissioner Scholl, I want to take time to acknowledge two other county commissioners who are with us today. Take a bow, Commissioner Paul Savas, right here. Commissioner Sonia Fisher, over here. Thank you for coming and supporting this effort and voting for the project with us along the way. Commissioner Mark Scholl, you're up.
Thank you, Chair Smith. I appreciate it. And thank you, Mayor Pulliam, for providing another wonderful Sandy, Oregon day. And also thank you to every one of you who have worked in planning and building and bringing this new clinic into a reality. One of Clackamas County's strategic priorities is safe, healthy, and secure communities. This new facility will go a long way towards meeting that goal from here to government camp. In fact, I'd like to also mention that part of the Warm Springs Reservation lies in Clackamas County, and this clinic also welcomes those people to Sandy. Over the years, we have worked hard to establish ourselves in this community. The first clinic in Sandy was in the old Sandy High School in 1994, and later moved down the road to what we call the Wild West building. And today we celebrate this milestone, this new building, which will provide the environment for clients, patients, and our hardworking staff. It's interesting to note that this building its design incorporates trauma-informed principles for their operations to make patients experience a positive environment, offering a full set of healthcare services to the communities of Sandy, Estacada, and all the way up to government camp. Our team of doctors, nurses, nurse practitioners, dentists, and behavioral health therapists work together to provide the best supportive care each patient may need. We have partnered with Genoa Healthcare to offer an on-site pharmacy. This is a one-stop shop for your health needs. As we all work together to improve our health and physical fitness, when we need medical, dental, or mental health support, this is the place to come. Every citizen needs to know they're welcome here. And I hope that clients, patients, and staff will enjoy this building and its services for many, many, many years to come. Thank you very much for your work and service.
Thank you, Commissioner Scholl. And thank you to our speakers. I would also like to take a moment to again thank recently retired Health Centers Director Deborah Cockrell. We cannot say enough about your service to Clackamas County. I know it was acknowledged earlier, but from the Board of County Commissioners, we want to tell you just have fun in retirement. I would also like to thank Interim Health Centers Director Sarah Jacobson and her entire team to stepping up to the plate, making this a reality, as well as the other health centers in Clackamas County. Sarah, we appreciate you stepping up at a critical time to finish this project. And to the entire health centers team, your input and patience have made this building what it is. Enjoy it and use it well. There are many other people and organizations I could mention, but thank you all for your vision, leadership, support, and patience as we navigated this process together. I know the process has been a bit of a roller coaster, but I hope you agree the end result is a worthy addition to your community. We look forward to your continued advocacy and support for future clinics like this elsewhere in the county. This concludes our presentation for today. In a moment, we will cut the ceremonial ribbon that is behind me. After we do, you're welcome to enjoy the refreshments and conversation in front of the building. And again, Health Center staff will also be leading small group tours of the facility. Thank you, everyone, for joining us today and for all you've done to make this new center a reality. Thank you.